Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I'm Avni.
And I'm Balkis.
I'm Boomer.
And I'm Zara. Welcome to our documentary,
The Wonder of Sustainability. Today, we will take you on an exciting journey
to a very special place in our school.
Alright guys, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Where are we now?
Where are we now?
Right there. That's our mushroom house. Can you believe it? It used to be an old dusty store.
Yup, full of broken chairs and forgotten stuff.
But now it's one of the coolest and greenest spots in school.
Wow!
Amazing!
This store used to be just a storage room.
Nobody paid attention to it. But one day, our teachers had an awesome idea.
Let us introduce our amazing teacher who had co-assisting us to renovate this mushroom house.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, hi.
How are you, teacher?
I'm good, thank you.
Teacher, may I ask you a question?
Of course.
Teacher, how did you come up with this amazing idea?
Well, why not turn this empty space into something that grows, something sustainable, and something fun?
Thank you, teacher. Your idea inspires us a lot.
You're welcome.
I used to think sustainability was something only adults talk about, but now I know.
It starts with us.
I feel so proud knowing we made something special from something forgotten.
This is more than farming. It's about caring
For our school, our environment,
and our future. And mushrooms are awesome!
this is so big.
I like it.
Wow, it's beautiful.
I want to eat it. It's
Me too.
This isn't just a farming project.
It's a learning journey.
We learn about science, nature, patience, and teamwork. And most importantly, we learn what sustainability really means.
We reuse an abandoned space and create a healthy food source. Small step, big impact. From sports to success.
Yeah! Let's change our outfit now. 1, 2, 3.
Ta-da!
We are the Mushroom Squad! Mushrooms are a perfect example of sustainability.
They can grow indoors in small spaces, just like our mushroom house.
They don't need sunlight to grow. They use very little water and they grow super fast. Plus, they're packed with nutrients and can be used in all sorts of dishes.
Fried mushroom, mushroom soup, mushroom pizza. Yum! Yummy! I think I'm getting hungry now.
Me too!
First, we prepare the mushroom blocks. We bought them from the suppliers.
Ahaha, ready to go!
Okay, you have to untie the plastic knot.
Teacher, can you teach me?
Oh, I think we have to use the scissors. Can you take the scissors, please?
Open the plastic bag.
Can I help you, Arnie? Okay, just do like this. Okay, be careful with the scissors.
We stack them neatly in the mushroom house, where it's dark and moist, the perfect environment. Okay everyone, let's arrange these mushroom blocks onto the shelves.
Let's go.
Let's go.
We spray water every day to keep the humidity just right. Not too wet, not too dry. After a few weeks, guess what?
Mushrooms! Guys, look! It's already coming out!
Wow, that's awesome! Okay friends, let's pick the mushroom.
Let me help you.
Okay.
trimming, we have to weigh the mushrooms. It's ready to pack.
Let's buy mushroom. Let's buy mushroom. Some of the mushroom we harvest are cooked in the canteen.
Others are sold during school events.
5 ringgit.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please come again.
The money we raise help fund new projects like our upcoming school garden, Great Wall of CBeeS.
Yup, sustainability keeps growing. This is our wonder. This is our story. This is sustainability in action.
We hope our little project inspires you to grow something meaningful too.
Start small, think big, act green.